If you've been dreaming of owning your own homestead on, say, 3.3 acres, where you can have a horse, some chickens, and plant your own garden, then I have the perfect home for you. I have a 3-bedroom, 3-bath home over 3,000 square feet in the heart of Keller, Texas. Listen, Keller is a remarkable town. This updated ranch-style home is fitted to the max with farmhouse touches at every turn. Take a look. Keller makes a great investment for both property and land. I love the combination of farmhouse and chic all in one. And the living room has a cozy fireplace. It's adjacent to the chef's kitchen with a huge 10 by 5 foot island. It's made with exotic granite and it has great cabinet and storage space. I love the coffee bar and beverage fridge. Both bedrooms have full ensuite baths. This spacious master suite with the sitting area and bath are a fairy tale dream with repurposed barnwood walls and floors. It has built-in cabinet storage, California closets, updated Kohler bath, and a large marble dressing vanity. This home has an office and huge laundry room with a flex area for, say, exercise, a game room, or craft room. Truly, the possibilities are endless. If you're looking to expand or build a mother-in-law suite, there's plenty of land to build on. This home is private and serene, so if you would like a private tour of this home, then give us a call or email us in the contact information below.